Good morning, Kindergarten Falcon families. Well, I guess it's technically afternoon now. Tomorrow or Friday, your child will be bringing home October book orders, and they will be due next Friday, October 9th, in case you order Halloween books or holiday books. That way they get here before the 31st. So there'll be three files or three flyers in your child's folder. Again, this is completely optional, but is a low cost way to have brand new books for your child. I know the free book that they got through a donor yesterday, the kids were super excited about. So those three flyers, it is cheaper to order online. And the code is RTKDN. I'll put the code in the messages as well. Or if you want to order it through the paper, I just need the paper and the money by next Friday the 9th. I was looking through the flyers this month. On the Firefly flyer, I noticed on page 6, if you're looking for books that most of your students will be able to start reading really soon, they're kind of old school, but they still are awesome readers, are the Bob book sets. On the Seesaw flyer, we have lots of flyers this month for some reason. On the back, I know I'm going to order this for our class library, Pumpkin Magic. Rhyming is a critical skill in kindergarten, so that's a fun way to practice rhyming at home. And finally, in the regular kindergarten issue, the one with the ghosts on the cover, I noticed one of our favorite series in class is the not little, but the old lady series. So this one is, there was an old lady who swallowed her ABCs. Again, a fun way is to practice some of our skills at home. Again, it's not required, it's completely optional. But every order you do send in, we also get points to buy books for our classroom.